Arawhita Christie tōku ingoa, no Ngāti Kahungunu ki te Wairoa me tūhoi ngā iwi. My name is Arawhita. My family and I are from the East Coast and I grew up in South Auckland. I was the program coordinator at Auckland Writers Festival. Most of the things that I did were around the schools program that they have, so bringing in different schools from all around New Zealand and helping fund their trip if they need help with it so that they can attend the festival. Also sorting out volunteers for the festival because they have about 120 different volunteers, so recruiting all these different people who are really keen to get involved, and then just like a lot of administration to help out with the writers, getting them to fly to Auckland or just the different admin things that they need help with. So my background is hospitality, and I'd been in that for 7 years, and so being around events, being around different people, having the awareness about diversity, working with different people, the communication that you need when you're talking to different types of people, whether it's their role or whether it's their background. Something that I learned was when you're in a different team environment where maybe you're just coming in as somebody new, trying to figure out ways to be useful, use your initiative as much as possible, learning to ask for help because everybody needs it, and not being shy to ask. After being in hospitality for that time, I wanted to change, and honestly just an opportunity to get into a different industry, recognizing that, oh my gosh, I could get into the arts through an internship opportunity, and especially working in a place where I might not get an opportunity to do that otherwise. Honestly, for me it was more personal reflections, like apart from all the mahi that we do and the different skills and roles and things that I was expected to do, it was like I recognized that there was a lot about myself that I learned, like things that I value. I learned a lot about who I am, especially as Māori, as a Māori woman. Coming in and whatever space you want to go into, you have to take that with you because it's quite important. Maybe you're one of the only people to represent, in different spaces. It's very empowering, and so it's very personal for me, like personal growth. Yeah, go for it because it's an awesome opportunity. Like, you're going to learn something. Also, you're going to be around awesome people no matter what organisation you're going to go into. You're going to meet heaps of people. I think also you're going to be well looked after with Toi Māori, especially with Tanya as your mentor. She's got your back, like you have nothing to worry about, but Toi Māori looks after you a lot, and that's something that I've really appreciated and been grateful for as well throughout the experience. But go for it, and just don't forget what you can bring to the table, because everybody's got something to offer that is quite unique, and nobody is you, nobody can do what you do. That's really important to remember when you go into any space, I think. So it's fun and you're going to learn something new. Yeah.